All right, I got the best ukulele Black Friday sale ever. This is like of all time. I'm gonna give away four of my top selling courses from ukuleletoPros.com for one ridiculous low price. Matter of fact, it's basically just giving away. You're gonna get, just check this out, my beginning bootcamp course. That's helped like thousands of beginning ukulele players get cranking on ukulele. Master the Ukulele 1 course. That's my best selling course of all time. And my Master the Ukulele 2 course, which is the next step up for you beginner intermediate players. Then number 4, this is not even available. You can't even buy this particular course on the website. I'm just gonna throw it in though. The 10 classic rock licks of all time for ukulele. So you're gonna get all 4 of those courses over a $250 value only for the next 24 hours, only for Black Friday for $7. $7, you get all those courses over $250 value. Yours, that's a one-time payment. You keep those courses forever. And yes, I will include the 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not happy. So anyway, click the link below, grab this Black Friday special. You're never gonna see these courses at this price again.